Good morning students, welcome to 5th maths class. Today we will start chapter Roman numerals. Students, this chapter is also not in your book, but you will get the content from 4th class book chapter number 15.1. Don't worry if you don't have the book, you will get the homework through the content through the homework. So let's start chapter Roman numerals. Students, there are some basic symbols to write Roman numerals. I will make a table chart here. The first row, Hindu Arabic numerals, and second, Roman symbols. There, Roman symbols. One is represented as Roman symbol by this symbol, then is 5, then is 10, next 50, L, 100, C, 500, D, and 1000, M. So, first sum is from the exercise 15.1 of 4th class book. You have to express the following numerals in Roman numerals. See 44, how you will express in the Roman symbols? Break it 40 plus 4, and how will you represent 40? See, it is near to 50. 50 is written as L. And 40 is 10 steps back to 50. So write 10 on the back of L. This is 40. This is the representation of 40. Then 4 is represented. This is 5. 4 is near to 5. And 1 step near to 5 and 1 step back to 5. So write 1 here. So 44 is represented XL 1V. This is the representation of 44. Now, next statement, C part, 68. 68, again break 60 plus 8. 60 is very near to 50 and it is 10 steps, 10 steps to the right to the 50. So, 10 will be after 50, 50 plus 10, this is 60. Afterward 8, how you will represent 8? Firstly 5, then 3, numbers 5, 6, 7, 8. So Roman numeral 68 in the Roman numeral is represented LXV111. Now first G part. G part is 98. How you will represent it? Firstly break 90 plus 8. 90 is represented as CX. Why? Because 90 is near to 100. 100 representation C, and this is 10 steps back to 100. So XC plus again 8. So XC 8. This is Roman symbols of the given numbers. Next part is express the following in Hindu Arabic numerals. Students, Roman symbols are already given to you. You have to write their Hindu Arabic numerals. Like statement is XL1X. See, this is 50, 10 steps back. Because X is on the back, so this is 40 plus this is 9. 1 steps back to 10, this is 10, X is 10. 1 step back to this is 9. So 49 is the answer. Same C part. XC 1V. This is C is 100, 10 steps back, so this is 90 plus this is 4. 94 is your answer. Next is, which of the following symbols are not meaningful? So write the correct numeral for the following wherever necessary. See, fourth A part, x, 4x are given to you. According to 4x, this is 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. This is 40. But 40 is not represented like this. You know, firstly we will write L, 50, 10 steps. So this is the representation of 40. This is wrong representation. This is correct representation. Again, part number E of the same sum, C, 1L. This means one step back to 50. 50 minus 1, this is 49. But you know, 49 is not represented like this. This is wrong way of representation. The 49 is represented as XL 40 plus 9, 1x. So this is the correct representation of 49. Next, part number 9. Part number 9 is write greater than or smaller than sign. Statement is XL 14 and XL C. Students, see here 40 plus 4, this is 44, and you know simply here is L. This is 50. So which number is greater? 50 is greater. So you will write this sign here. Now the statement is F part LV 2 ones, then is XL. See, this is 40 and this is 50, then 5, 6, 7. This is 57 and you know 57 is greater. So this symbol will be here in the box. So students, this is all about your Roman numerals chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.